In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check downloads from Google Drive. This process is straightforward and will help you find your downloaded files quickly. Remember, Google Drive does not have its own downloads folder. Instead, files are saved directly to your local device. Understanding these steps ensures you can access your downloaded content without hassle. To begin, alternatively, click the three dots or three lines in the top right corner of your browser. This action opens a menu that provides various options related to your browsing experience. The three dots or lines are common symbols across many web browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. By clicking this icon, you are accessing the browser's settings and features. This is important because it leads you to the Downloads section. Once you click, a drop-down menu will appear, showing you several options to choose from. Next up, select Downloads from the menu that appears after you click the three dots or lines. This option is typically listed among other features like history and bookmarks. Selecting Downloads takes you to a dedicated page or section that displays all the files you have recently downloaded. This step is crucial because it allows you to view a chronological list of your downloads. You will see a straightforward layout, making it easy to find what you are looking for. Once you click on it, your browser will display the downloads history right before your eyes. After that, it will show the list of the latest downloads on your screen. This list reflects the most recent files you have downloaded from various websites, including Google Drive. You can easily identify each file by its name, size, and download date. This step matters because it gives you a quick overview of everything you have downloaded recently. You can scroll through the list to locate the specific file you need. The interface is user-friendly, ensuring you can find your downloads without confusion. Now, you can click on the folder right near the downloaded file's name to check the actual files saved in your Downloads folder. This folder icon is usually adjacent to the file name in the Downloads list. Clicking on this icon will take you directly to the location on your device where the file is stored. This is important because it helps you access the file quickly and efficiently. You will see the file in your device's File Explorer or Finder, allowing you to open, move, or delete it as needed. Once that is done, you can navigate back to your downloads list if you need to check for more files. Repeating this process is simple, and you can always return to the downloads section whenever necessary. Remember, knowing how to access your downloads will save you time in the long run. This process is straightforward and you'll feel more confident managing your files. In summary, you have learned how to check downloads from Google Drive by using your web browser's download history and local storage. By following these steps, you can easily find and manage the files you need. This skill is essential for anyone who regularly downloads content from the internet. With practice, you will become more adept at locating your files. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.